Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we cut through the hype to find gear that actually delivers in 2025. Today, I am absolutely buzzing about the Breville Juice Fountain Elite, that sleek beast mode juicer that's dominating Amazon right now. If you're kicking off a health reset, craving fresh juice without the hassle, or just tired of store-bought stuff tasting like cardboard, this machine is your ticket to juicy paradise. Hang tight because I'm breaking it all down, and by the end, you'll be racing to the link in the description to grab yours. Let's juice this up. Right out of the gate, this juicer screams premium with its die-cast stainless steel body, tough as nails and looks killer on any counter. At the core is a 1,000-watt motor that spins at up to 13,000 RPM, extracting up to 30% more juice than basic models. The star feature? A massive 3-inch circular feed chute that swallows whole apples, carrots, or beets without chopping. Talk about time saver. It rocks 2 speeds, low at 6,500 RPM for soft fruits like oranges or leafy greens and high for hard veggies like kale or ginger. The titanium-reinforced cutting disc shreds through produce like butter, paired with an Italian-made micro-mesh filter that catches pulp for super smooth sips. Juice Jug holds a full litre with a froth separator to keep your drinks clean and foam-free, plus an overload protection LED that shuts it down if things get jammed. Clean up, dishwasher-safe parts, and an included brush make it a breeze. Weighs about 14 pounds, so it's sturdy but not impossible to move. Diving into what sets it apart, the heavy-duty build means it lasts. Users say it's still going strong years later. That wide chute cuts prep time in half, letting you juice a whole meal's worth in minutes. The dual speeds give you control for everything from delicate berries to fibrous celery, and the noise? It's got a solid hum but not ear-splitting. The safety locking arm keeps it locked until ready, and the cord storage tucks away neatly. Overall, it's designed for daily warriors who want pro-level results without the pro price tag. Now, the real talk, pros and cons. Pros first, extraction power is unreal, squeezing dry pulp for max yield and nutrients. Super easy to use and clean, even for beginners, with that wide mouth saving tons of chopping. Quiet for its muscle, durable stainless steel that resists wear, and versatile for all produce types. Users love the smooth juice and how it handles greens better than cheaper centrifugal rivals. Cons? It's on the louder side during high-speed runs, and at 14 pounds, it's bulky for small kitchens, needs counter real estate. Not the best for super leafy stuff without a tamper, and while cleanup is simple, the filter can be a bit fiddly if pulp builds up. Pricey up front, but it pays off in longevity. My take? If you're serious about fresh juice boosting your energy or wellness game, the Breville Juice Fountain Elite is a slam dunk. The pros like insane yield and ease make it perfect for busy folks. Who has time for pre-chopping in 2025? Skip the cons if space isn't tight. This bad boy turns juicing into a joy. Quick shout out, subscribe for more no BS reviews that save you cash. And if this hit home, like the video and share it with your health buddy. But hey, the real MVP move, click that referral link in the description to score yours. It hooks me up to keep these vids coming and gets you the deal. One last nudge, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, crew. Like, share, or subscribe if it helped, and I'll catch you next time.